Today we are going to solve this equation to find a x value solution. 8 power x minus 2 equal to 20. A power m minus n equal to a power m by a power n. We are going to apply this here. So we'll get 8 power x by 8 power 2 equal to 20. Now 8 over x by 8 square is 64 equal to 1. Now do cross multiply. So we'll get 8 over x equal to 20 times of 64. Now take a log on both sides. So log 8 power x equal to log 20 times of 64. We know the log power formula. Therefore, log m power p equal to p log m. We are going to apply this here. So we'll get x log 8 equal to log 20 times of 64. Now divide by log 8 on both sides. Log 8 here. This log 8 cancels this log 8. So we'll get x equal to log 20 times 64 by log 8. We know that log product formula log a times b equal to log a plus log b. We are going to apply this here. So we'll get x equal to log 20 plus log 64 by log 8. Now x equal to this log 20 by this log 8 plus this log 64 by log 8. 64 can be written as 8 times of 8 equal to 8 square. So we are going to apply this here. So we'll get x equal to log 20 by log 8 plus log 64 can be written as 8 square by 8. You know that log power formula. So this 2 comes here. So x equal to log 20 by log 8 plus 2 log 8 by log 8. Now this log 8 cancels this log 8. So we have x equal to log 20 by log 8 plus 2. This 2. So this 20 can be written as 4 times of 5 equal to 20. Now we are going to apply this here. So x equal to log 4 times of 5 by log 8 plus this 2. Now x equal to log 4 times of 5 can be written as log 4 plus log 5 by this log 8 plus. Now as per this formula a plus b by c equal to a by c plus b by c. We are going to separate this. X equal to log 4 by log 8 plus log 5 by log 8 plus 2. This 4 can be written as 4 equal to 2 times of 2, that is 2 power 2. 8 can be written as 2 power 3. So we are going to apply this here and here. So x equal to log 2 power 2 by log 2 power 3 plus log this 5 by log 2 power 3 plus 2. We know that x equal to log 2 power 2 by log 2 power 3 plus log 5 by log 2 power 3 plus 2. For the log power formula, this 2 comes here, this 3 comes here. So x equal to 2 log 2 by 3 log 2 plus log 5 by this 3 comes here, 3 log 2 plus 2. Now this 2 log 2 cancels this log 2. So we have x equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, this 3 log 5 by log 2 plus this 2 log a by log b equal to log a base b. We are going to apply this here. So x equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 log 5 base 2 plus 2. This is the x value. Now we are going to check this x with the equation. Okay. This x with the equation 8 over x minus 2 equal to 20. Now 8 power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 log 5 base 2 plus 2, this minus 2 equal to 20. Now this minus 2 plus 2 cancels each other. Now we have 8 power 2 plus log 5 base 2 by this 3 equal to 20. Now this 8 can be written as 2 power 3 times of 2 plus log 5 base 2 by 3 equal to 20. This 3 cancels this. 2 power 2 plus log 5 base 2 equal to 20. 2 power 2 plus log 5 base 2 equal to 20. A power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. We are going to apply this here. So 2 power 2 times 2 power log 5 base 2 equal to 20. Now we know this a power log b base a equal to b. We are going to apply this here. So we get this 2 power 2 is 4 times of this is 5. 4 times of this 5 equal to 20. 4 times of 5 is 20 equal to 20. So LH is equal to RH is verified.